BRRR. What is BRRR in real estate? Well, that's actually a thing, and it's a thing that investors do. It stands for buy, renovate, rent, and refinance. So if you are a savvy and you have some experience and or you've got a coach that's going to support you to do this, I believe that this is one of the best ways to get into long-term wealth creation using real estate as an asset class. So you need to find a property that is going to have, like, in a good neighborhood, that will have a ceiling of what you can improve. So let's say you've got $80,000 in improvements. That's the renovate. You've got to see how much you can appreciate it in equity. And then you're going to buy, hold, rent it out. So that renter then pays for your mortgage. And then if you have enough of a spread and you do your numbers smart enough, you will then have likely your initial investment or more to pull out and do it again, all the while having someone else pay down your mortgage. Boom.